Hello world! Sometimes you can't explain what you see in a person. It's just the way they can take you to a place no one else can. Maybe it's the sound of their voice when they say things that turn you on. Maybe it's that look in their eyes that says, we are going to get into trouble. Maybe it's the smell of their skin or the touch of their hands. Maybe it's the way they make you feel like you are the only two people on earth. Maybe it's the way you wake up and the thought of them make you smile and blush. There's just something about them that your heart can't get enough of. By Joel Clemons. It's really not that complicated. If someone wants to be with you, and I mean truly be with you, he will do everything in his power to make sure that you know there will be no games, no words with hidden meanings, no endless nights where you read over your conversation. To try to add pieces to a love puzzle that you have created in your mind, you will just know, and it is as simple as that. You won't have to figure anything out because his words will make it clear to you. His eyes will tell you and his action will show you. If someone truly wants to be with you, they will do everything in their power to get you. And if they don't, if you find yourself questioning what he says or the things that he does, if he confuses you, give you mixed signals, if he implies that he likes you but he doesn't say it, then he doesn't truly want to be with you. Let me tell you what he's doing. He is trying to hold on to all of his options so that he ends up picking the right one. He is teasing to see if you are good enough for him, and you are not an option for anyone. By Ruby Dahl. On the post of Anna, it captioned, with the right people make you feel seen, loved, heard, valued, worthy. Do you see yourself that way? True Anna, and reality check as your biggest enemy is your uncontrollable mind. Anna shared a story post with her caption, the clinic Warsaw, so good to be back here. This is my Warsaw power place, fully putting myself in the hands of Dr. Katarzyna, and I know I'm taken care of. Good morning with Ama's story, it tells us Ama is smacking her lips. She said, do you know in Japan people will smack their lips while eat, and that is the sign of how much they like the food. I don't understand why we don't have such culture in Poland. Good morning with Ama post, she captioned it with, it was a turning point in my life when it finally dawned me that I was creating images in my head that give me shivers. I was afraid of my own imagination and where it couldn't take me. When I finally dared to fully accept every vision of myself, including the fragile and delicate one, I confessed to myself that sometimes I am afraid to lose my breath. It's very perverse because today in complete darkness, it's best for me to focus, be quiet, and just rest. And then I always think that the most beautiful thing is what's on the other side of fear. And you, what is your story? P.S. I love you. Anna attended an event with her outfit by Michael Kors. She is at MasterCard of Camera. It's one of the biggest events of this kind in the Central Eastern Europe. MasterCard of Camera is an international festival of independent cinema. You are so always gorgeous, Anna. Anna's story, she said, we are having a girl day filled to the brim with the great movies as part of MasterCard of Camera Festival. As Anna tell to us about her talk with Max Burr, a bit personally and a bit professionally.
Dzień dobry drodzy. Śmieję się ostatnio, że jestem mama podróżniczka, bo jak już moja noga miesiące temu ustawiona po raz pierwszy od bardzo długiego czasu pociągi, to już te pociągi mi towarzyszą, już płyną w mojej krwi. Zwracam się do mieszkańców Krakowa. Od dzisiaj zaczyna się festiwal Mastercard of Camera i mam ogromną przyjemność dzisiaj tam jechać i pobyć sobie troszeczkę w Krakowie i o godzinie 16 na miasteczku festiwalowym przy Galerii Krakowskiej. Jak już mówiłam, w Krakowie Galeria Krakowska Kraków. Jeżeli macie czas, macie ochotę, to przydreptajcie o 16. Posłuchajcie naszej rozmowy, uściskajmy się, wymieńmy dobrą energię i iskierką z serca do serca. Bardzo, bardzo będzie mi miło i pięknie Was zobaczyć. Pa!
Simone Susina new movie Under 7 Courier, it said that the star of the new digital cover of 7 is Simone Susina, interviewed by Irene Inzaghi, is starring in Francesca Chiru's new film Malamore in cinemas from May 8. The movie tells the story of today. We are in the heart of Apulia. Mary, young repentant lover of the prejudiced Nuncio, would like to tell this sick and suffocating story, but she is afraid of the consequences. From the meeting with Julio, the new riding teacher of the handling he attends, a love relationship is born, which gives her the final strength to start the process of detachment. Michael, Mary's childhood friends as well as Nuncio's brother-in-law, tries to warn her. She changed her mind, but Mary decides to leave her love with Julius. Wounded in pride, Nuncio married to Carmela, who managed Holly's traffic during confinement. Decide to get revenge, a story of love and blood, where the real, subversive, and renewable element seems to be love and friendship.
Simone had an additional body art. Can you think and guess where will Simone going this time? Oh yeah, he is in a beautiful place, Madrid, Spain. Simone is staying at Bless Hotel Madrid, a luxury hotel in the heart of Madrid, a member of leading hotels of the world, a 5-star winners by Forbes Travel Guide. Oh no! Oh yes! What is this? Is this really it? As to the story of Simone, it said that 365 days part 4 in the works and we have to stay tuned.
Collection of high heel shoes of Michele. Which one do you like to try to wear? Happy birthday, Andrea, a dear friend of Michele, through good times and bad times. We all know, Michele, how you love this firing range of yours, that you really enjoy it. We all know, Michele, how you love this firing range of yours, that you really enjoy it. Oh yeah, all of us, Michele, we will all stay tuned on your new movie.
Filming in Italy? Simple. Learning Italiano? Not so simple. Yes. Another simple favor is on Prime Video in 1 week. Hear this Learning Italiano time. Ciao tutti! It's Michele Maron with the amazing cast of Another Simple Favor. So we all spent, a few months together in Italy, and I'm sure you all pick up, some Italian while we were there. The game is simple. I'm going to read a line from the film in Italian and you all are going to repeat what I say in English. Alright? Benvenuti in Italia. Welcome, Italy. Yeah, we really did learn stuff. That's my line. Buona fortuna. Good luck. Alright? Ciao, mame. Hi, moms. Wow, mame, moms. That was amazing. Hi, moms. Tutti hanno un lato oscuro? That is not easy. All the kids go to the party. That is not exactly what's written. Tutti hanno un lato oscuro. Everyone has a dark side. Oh, how am I gonna explain this? You got it. Scopatore di fratelli, brother. Well, you exactly did much better than I thought, guys. Grazie. That was really good. To see a real Italian speak Italian, see Another Simple Favor on Prime Video. Can you remember the shooting range of Michele? He has an important message about it. For those who misinterpret something, as he said, some people just need a pair of eyeglasses. I wasn't shooting any animals yesterday. It was just a clay pigeon shooting practice for a film I'm preparing. I love animals, and it is not my habit to hurt even a fly. I hope we are clear on it now as to what the message of Michele trying to emphasize. Michele is back in New York, so good to know that you are continue work and work. Just keep it up. Oh, wow! What an spectacular panoramic view of a modern structural building that symbolizes how progressive the place was. Just always stay rise and shine, Michele, like those buildings that we are watching. Oh, it's really New York, New York, New York! But how was these emotions of yours, Michele? We understand you that even how beautiful the view was, or how you look at it that way, on how far you are on your way to your dreams, you are missing something. What can I say, Michele, is that you are step by step on your dreams. What you can say and do is that you have to be thankful and happy for all the blessings that coming on your way. Anyway, Michele, just think of it. Your kids always waiting for you with open heart and open arms. Guys, clearly see this? Michele posts a story saying stay tuned, new movie. And then Simone posts a story saying 365 days part 4 in the work and we have to stay tuned. Is this just a coincidence? On how true it was, we will wait and see, so we have to stay tuned. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button. Share this video to others and please subscribe on my channel. Day 116 of the 365 days of 2025.
A message to all. Love without trust is the same as looking at food that might be poison. No matter how much we might be starving for it, it's not worth the risk. Everyone will agree that they need to be able to trust their partner, but most people can't agree on what trust actually means. It means being an emotionally safe person. To be emotionally safe person means that we have to have self-control, learn how to fear, respect, truthful, and consistent. When you can learn how to process, manage, regulate, and express your feelings in a healthy way, especially when you are struggling, then you know that you can trust yourself to be able to show up for someone else and make them feel safe. This leads to the need for control in order to feel secure. Control doesn't create trust or security any more than intense create intimacy or obsession creates care. You can't really learn how to trust anyone else if you don't trust yourself, because you will only see in others what you feel inside yourself. The criteria for trust is the same for everyone. The better you are at showing up for yourself, the better you are at recognizing when someone else will show up for you. Patterns don't lie. By Joel Clemons.